In this video, you will learn how to make a dedicated server for your Godot 4.4 game. And if you are making a multiplayer game, this is going to be very helpful for you. Before we proceed, let me show you a demo of my working server structure. For this, we need two projects in our Godot, one for server and one for client. And we need a server. And in this video, we are going to use replit.com. So let's go to the Replit site and open my project. To start the server, you need to type the command /go. Space --headless. This is already set by me. So if you are using my project, I have shared in the description. You need to use the same command and press enter. As soon as you press enter, you will see a notification that a server has started at port 80. Now our server is ready and we can join through our client. Go to client and run the game with two instances so you can check the multiplayer. As soon as you will click join, you can see a player has spawned in the map. And again, let's go to second tab and again press join and you will see a new player has also joined. You can't see both the players because they are spawned at the same point. So move one of the player and you can now see both the players. Not only this, if you want to check whether our server is working properly, you can go to the server and see that you will get a notification that a player has joined with the ID. And it will same as it is showing in our main client window. So this is a simple demo and you can get the client server setup as well as the full project link in the description. You can go from there. So now let's see how you can set your own project to use the headless server. First of all, you will need to create a free Replit account. It is absolutely free, so you can create a free account. After creating account, click the project link for Replit and paste it on your browser and click enter. When you click enter, you will get the option to remix the app. Click on remix app. Either you can use the same name and description or you can change it. And then click on remix. As soon as you click remix, your project will open in a new window. Close the left side tab as we don't need it. And to see the files, you need to click on the tab option near the publish. And you will see all the files appear there in the right hand side. Now to launch your own game or to use this one, you need to replace Godot and Godot.pck if you are using in your own project, or if you are using my project, then you don't need to make any change. Just simply start the server, and when you start the server you need a link. So again go to preview and restart the server. In preview section click on the link option and you will get your project link. Replace the project link, and when you are replacing the link, make sure to remove the https and / and / from the last section. You only need the numbers up to dev.co. Now your server is ready and you can join your own server and play. So you can use this project directly and implement your own game. Either you can use my project and develop your own game, which is multiplayer and dedicated server ready, or if you want to start your own project and then change my files, then here is the step you need to follow. Before starting, make sure you have a multiplayer game ready and well tested. Now you need to divide your game into two projects. One is for server and one is for client. In your server network, copy paste the script from my network and add a HTTP request node. Similarly, for the client, you need to copy the client network codes from my project and paste it on your own project. And in joining section of your player, also replace your enet with WebSocket. After this, you need to go to project, click on export and select Linux. After selecting Linux, toggle on the runnable button and remove embed pck option. Then click on export project and name your project Godot. Leave the extension as it is for now and click on export. Export it to a folder where you can find it easily. Now as our project is exported, we need to make more settings before we can upload it. So go to your folder where you have exported and from godot.86x64 remove the extension, only keep the name Godot, and you will find a second file godot.pck. These are the two files we will need to deploy our own game server. Now go to Replit and delete the Godot and Godot.pck that is already there, and use drag and drop to upload your own projects. You don't need to make any further changes as I have already set all the commands required And you can use the same command we have used earlier, that is /godot space double dash headless to start your own server. One of the most important things to note here is if you are using Godot 4.4, this will work easily. But if you are using another version like Godot 4.5 or Godot 3, then you need to also replace the Linux stable. Go to Godot website and find the Linux build for that version and replace it. Then your project will work easily. Next thing that is most important, that the Replit server we are using here is not 24/7 active. It only remains active as long as you are active in the project tab. As soon as you close the project, your server will stop. Secondly, in free plan, the RAM is too low, so you can't use it to make a game with 100 players. You can only make games with small size of players and small games that don't need heavy physics. But there is a workaround to it. You can use another hosting which is free and allow you to make your servers always active. But you can get that only in my paid course. So if you are interested in making a server for free that is available 24/7, or if not 24/7 available, at least can be started with a single click of button, then you can purchase my paid course from my website, which will be available soon in 2 to 3 days. And if you don't have already a multiplayer game and want to learn how to make a multiplayer game, then subscribe this channel. I hope you like this video. So if you're interested to learn how to make a game in Godot 4, then subscribe to this channel. I hope you like this video. I will meet you soon in the next video.